Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is the i16 Pro. So it's a flip phone. And they got all these colors right there. So let's open it up. Okay, so here's the phone itself. You get a charging cord, USB-C, and some sort of carry lanyard, whatever you want to call it. I don't know how you would install it though. Oh, here we go, right there. So let's power it up. So there's not a lot to say about something this simple, but we're gonna try to take a look at it. Let's look at the menu. You get a call center. Let's see what that's about. Call history and settings. Let's see what else. You get messaging. So that's your text messages. You get a phone book. So you don't have to memorize all those numbers like we did back in the 90s when I was a teenager. Multimedia. So let's see what we got. So we got a regular camera for photos. You got your images right there. The video recorder, that's for recording videos and your videos. And you can store music. And you have a sound recorder and an FM radio, and that's it. So let me see if the FM radio works without an antenna. It actually does work. So without how do you control the volume though? I don't know how controlled. Oh, the asterisk and these two control the volume. So let's that's as loud as it's gonna get. So
shop back to deals and save on eligible items from Califia Farms. Featuring Keith.
वो शायद एक मिनट फिर से देख लो.
how do you turn it off? Oh my goodness. There we go. So that was the multimedia. So let's carry on. You got this organizer. So you got games, calendar, calculator. Let's see what kind of games you got. Racing, snake. Let's do racing. Start game. Oh, I crashed. Okay, let's get out. Forget games. So you got a calendar, calculator, alarms. You got a lot of alarms. A sun alarm. What is this? Fajr Zur Azar River. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna forget about that. And then you got the Bluetooth dialer. I'm not sure what that is. File manager. And number key speech. Okay, let's carry on. Settings. Settings is just settings. STK. So those are your two SIMs. And you got services. So you do get WhatsApp. A lot of people ask me, do you get WhatsApp? Yes, you do. But you do need a connection. Facebook. You have to have a data plan. You get Java. And that was it. So that's pretty cool. And over here, you got those three LEDs, as you can see. The left one, it tells you that it's charging, so that's the battery. The center one tells you that you got a text message. And the right one says that you missed the call. Let's try to zoom in. So missed the call, you got a text message, and then you got this plugged in. Like, let me plug it in. See right there, I plugged it in and it's flashing. Now you do get a shortcut over here where it says names, and then this is where your names would be. And if you're as old as I am, you would remember this function where the names, instead of being called the contact book, you see the names, and then you would scroll down to the one you want, and then you would click the green one over here, and it would make the call. And the cool thing about this kind of phone is that when you want to end the call, you just do that and you throw it in your pocket, and that was it. So it does have one camera and one lens, even though it has 3 lenses here. This is trying to imitate the Samsung Galaxy Flip, I believe, but it really only has one lens, one functional lens. The other ones that you see, they're not real. Okay, so now I want to demonstrate the torch. They call it a torch. It's really the light over here. So go into, let's unlock it first. Go into menu, and then go into, let me zoom in, organizer, torch light, and then click OK, and it lights up. See right there? Okay, and it does have a camera, of course. Let's look at the camera. It's a terrible camera, as you can see. So let's take a picture there. Let's look at my logo up there, Skywind. And that's it. So you also do get a video recorder, but for some reason I'm not able to record anything because it says I don't have enough memory. And I did add a memory chip in there, but it just won't recognize it for some reason. So maybe I'm doing something wrong, or they need to improve how this works. I tried reformatting the memory, but it wouldn't let me. And that's about it. So the big question is, should you get this if you're in the United States? Absolutely not. This is a 2G phone. You will not be able to connect it anywhere in the United States. Now you can do that in other countries like Central America, India. They still do use the 2G. You do have the option 2G, 3G, and 4G LTE. But in the United States, there's absolutely no 2Gs and no 3Gs. So this is completely useless in the United States. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.